Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B Investing in BI, and we are going to be taking a look at Indigo. The markets, the crypto markets right now are doing terrible. We're down like 4% market cap overall. Bitcoin is tumbling. Ethereum has been tumbling. Cardano is at 33 cents. It's down 6%. In the last 24. Doge is down 7. It's just like we just can't get out of this bear. And all the people screaming, oh, the bear market is over. We're in the bull market. You know, I just don't believe it. I don't believe you. You need more people. Need more people buying tokens, right? But I don't think it's going to matter. The economy, the American economy, is what's pulling the entire world down. We as citizens made terrible choices in our politics this last cycle here, and we're paying the price for it. And I knew that this would happen. A lot of people knew that this would happen. So, I mean, I'm not going to cry about it. I anticipated this. I made my maneuvers, made my decisions, made my choices, and I played the market. And I was rewarded for it. I'm going to say my family was rewarded for it. Let me tell you. So let's take a look. What is going on with Indy? Like I said, I think that Indy is headed back down to its all-time low at $1.19. I think it's a matter of time. That's what I believe. Again, not financial advice. The opposite could happen. This could be just a short dip, and we could be back up again and kiss, this price goodbye. But I am holding my DCA until we get to those lows, and I'm buying. And if it goes even lower, I'm going to buy some more. And I'm going to sit on my hands and collect rewards. That's my plan with Indigo. So let's take a look at I want to take a look at some news. But let's see if the Discord is down. Let's fix that real quick. There we go. Discord's back. All right, so what are we looking at here? Let's take a look at, let's see, the dashboard. So we've got an update yesterday. End of epoch 397 update. Dry run. Indy staking rewards 2,397 went to stakers in that epoch. Reward for providing iBTC liquidity on MinSwap. This is totals, guys. This isn't an individual getting this. This is everyone. 525. So not a ton of rewards being given to iBTC liquidity. Same thing for iBTC liquidity on MuesliSwap, even less. 1. That's crazy. 1.18. That's tiny. iBTC on Wing Riders, 878. Rewards for providing iETH liquidity on MinSwap, 345. Rewards for providing iETH liquidity on Wing Riders, 853. iUSD on MinSwap, 46. Yikes. Same thing on MuesliSwap, 43. But on Wing Riders, iUSD put out 2,100 Indy tokens as rewards. Interesting. SP, so stability pool rewards for iBTC, almost 8,000 Indy were given out. Stability pool rewards for iETH, almost 7,800 Indy given out, and iUSD a whopping 13,000. So it seems like the place to be when it comes to Indy staking is going to be iUSD for sure, and Indy staking, just straight up governance staking, I think is the best returns. And then, third is Wing Riders with iUSD, which is a stable, iUSD is a stable. So it should be relatively safe unless, again, the ADA price starts to tank, then you start losing your IUSD because it needs to make up the value for ADA dipping. And I'm hoping ADA goes down to 25 cents. Again, if it does, I'm picking some up. I am picking some up if it goes down to 25 cents. But yep, that's what we got there. And I also want to take a look. So I guess we're just going to do general news on Indigo in this video. What I do want to take a look at, though, I want to take a look at this proposal here: liquidity deposit limit and Indigo protocol stability pool. Introduction. The Cardano Indigo protocol has been created to allow Juan Cardano, our friend again. Let's see what he has to say this time. Let's start over. Introduction. The Cardano Indigo protocol has been created to allow for the creation of synthetic assets. Well, we know that, such as BTC, ETH, and USD. To keep the price of these synthetic assets stable. What do you mean to keep them stable? Isn't that what the stability pool is for? Open market? Okay. A stability pool has been created where leverage traders can liquidate, their positions in case the price deviates from the underlying asset's price. Currently, 47.5% of all synthetic USD is in this stability pool. For example, additionally, each Cardano epoch, every 5 days, stability pool participants receive Indi governance tokens and other benefits. So you get Indi and ADA. My proposal. So he better be coming with it. It better be a better deal. My proposal: to prevent the Indigo stability pool from being solely used to generate those benefits. What? And give more usage to the protocol synthetic assets. I propose implementing a maximum, here he goes again with this stuff, a maximum liquidity deposit limit for new depositors only, so as not to affect those who already have their liquidity in the pool. So you just want to screw over new people. What is wrong with this guy? This would limit the amount of liquidity that participants can add to the pool and give more utility to all the synthetic assets, such as using them for DEX, SEX, lending, leverage, exchange, etc. They're already doing that. If you can't utilize the features of the protocol, why would you hold any of the assets? This makes no sense. So you want to create a club where only the people that got in early get the advantage of the platform. Okay, that's cool. You can do that, but why would anybody adopt it then? Why would people come into the protocol if they don't benefit from it? Only the people that were early do. And I'm one of those people that were early. And I'm speaking from a person who was early. This is stupid. 40% limit. If the stability pool reaches 40% of its maximum capacity, no one can add more liquidity until the pool is partially emptied. Dumb. 45% limit. If the stability pool reaches 45% of its maximum capacity, no one can add more liquidity until the pool is partially emptied. Dumb. 50% limit. If the stability pool reaches 50% of its maximum capacity, no one can add more liquidity until the pool is partially emptied. Dumb. If the stability pool is below any of these three limits, any participants can add liquidity and receive all corresponding rewards as if it were a competition. No, this is stupid. Conclusion: implementing a maximum liquidity deposit limit in the Indigo stability pool can help the usage of all synthetic assets in the protocol. How? If I can't use something, why would I want it? If you're taking away benefits, why would I hold that asset? I will dump it and move on to something else. Why would anybody stay? It makes no sense. And then he puts notes. If you have suggestions, you can comment them. If you disagree, you can propose new limits. I don't want any limits. Okay, I got a limit. 0. 3 options that says 0. That's my proposal. Note 2, BTC stability pool, 79.67%. ETH stability pool, 75.66%. These percentages are current today's amount of assets held by the stability pool. I don't understand what the problem is. Then one person voted 45%, and I'm sure it's him. And then I can't vote because I just say no limit. Looks like you got one reply, 46 views between 2 users. This is the first time this person has posted. Let's welcome them to our community. Okay, so this is the first post from this guy. This guy felt so moved by this proposal that he decided to make his first post. Let's read it. I don't think this would be a good idea. The free market can balance this out. As more people add to the pool, the average return goes down. Also, the Indy emissions rate will go down with time, making the SP less attractive compared to other DeFi strategies. Currently, with 150% collateral, I get about 40 to 50% APY on IBTC SP. This is higher than liquidity pools for IBTC on exchanges, but not by a lot. As soon as this drops to around 20 to 30%, liquidity will start moving out from the stability pools. I feel like that's the way it was designed, and it's working that way. Why? Again, these proposals are totally selfish. They're designed for the person making the proposal to benefit, and everybody else is screwed over. So what he wants is he wants to keep the rewards, as much of the rewards as he can for himself. Okay, at what cost? At the cost of adoption. The whole purpose of the Indy governance token is that there is a platform to govern. If you kill the platform, the Indy token is worthless. If you drive users away, the token will become worthless. These proposals are terrible. I'm just going to reply no. That's going to be my reply. No. But anyways, price, man. Price has been moving down. I think we were as low as $1.34 on this guy. And I can't wait. Hopefully the market keeps sliding a little bit and we can get some good entries on a lot of different projects, not just Indigo, but a few others that I follow. So thank you for checking out the video. Hit that like, hit the share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.